Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Thani, these are the months in Islam. Jamadul Awwal, Jamadul Thani, Rajab and Shaban. Ramadan, Ramadan, Ramadan and Shawwal, Zil Qadda and Zil Hijjah, these are the months in Islam. Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul